This is an event for Ally Week at the McLean Community Center. Tonight I was invited to speak on a panel for LGBTQ faith leaders and talking about their faith and LGBTQ issues. In particular, what faith communities I've experienced from my own life growing up in this area is outreach, identity, support, advocacy. I think there's a unique sense of pride in this area for our LGBTQ neighbors in creating spaces and events that show the diversity of the community. Well, I think identity starts with familiarity and building bridges across identities. Right now, it is so critical that we have gatherings like this to promote understanding and tolerance and acceptance, and more events like this can only increase the conversations that I know are really uncomfortable for a lot of people in communities. And especially as faith leaders, the more that we practice a fluency and a comfort around talking about gender and identity and sexuality issues, it gives people permission to go back to their faith communities or for them to wrestle for themselves in a new way, which I believe makes us all stronger as a people. More events like this, you can go on the Fairfax County website and look for LGBTQ office, or also the McLean Community Center also has events here as well.